All right, hello everybody. Welcome to the trade recap. This is the trade taken this morning. We caught full take profit, 81.25 points. I'm going to break down why we took this trade. Now, what were the risks? Before we get into why I took this trade, what were the risks that came with this trade? Number one, higher time frame order flow was clearly bullish. We were respecting higher time frame PD arrays. So that was the risk that came with this trade. I wanted to see shorts in this session. Why? Well, coming into this market here, I'm going to go in replay mode just so we look at the entry. Look what we were doing here. Look what we had price formed. If we just look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 lows. We had 12 lows that had gone untouched to the downside. So lots of generated liquidity to the downside. I pointed this out literally before market open to my group. I said to you guys, what do you guys see here? And everyone said it, generated liquidity. So I said, yep, that's what I'm looking for. Ideally, we get a move to the downside. That's what I want to see. So heading into market open, we swept this buy side liquidity, and doing that there, price came, swept that, reversed from this point, and what did we do? We formed several lows here on the lower time frame as well. So we had generated liquidity on the higher time frame, 15 minute, generated liquidity on the lower time frame, 1 minute. I said, okay, is this a premature entry? We inverse this gap. Yes. I said, I'm willing to take on the risk. We got the reversal, inverse this gap. We didn't get the change in the state. We did get a break of structure here. I said, ideally, we get either a change in the state. It's not necessary, or we get a fair value gap or a breaker. I said, this is a bit premature. I said, but I'm willing to take on the risk because waiting for a change in the state is highly unlikely. Waiting for what I'm looking for is highly unlikely. The inverse gap is a good enough confirmation. We had an SMT at the highs as well. Price didn't sweep this 50-minute gap or 50-minute buy side liquidity. NQ did. We had an SMT on the higher time frame as well. I said, okay, I like what we're seeing in price. For me, it's worth taking. So we took that off that inverse gap there, and you see price came immediately to that internal liquidity. TP1 tapped. I went break even there. So 2.73 to 1 R. Break even there. TP1 was around approximately, look, I'm not going to get it completely, but approximately 37 points. Full TP 81.25 points. And then from that point, break even, we let the trade do its thing. And there we go. So we got full take profit there. That's that. Very nice move to that liquidity here I wanted to see. I still think we can potentially move lower, but I was happy with that. So the basis of our trade was obviously liquidity. That's the basis of every trade. Got the confirmations. Very nice move. Broken down. Off the 50-minute sweep of liquidity. Very nice. For a full move, 81.25 points caught with the group. Congratulations to all that caught that move. I know a lot of you did. Very well done. And yeah, more to come. Take care, everybody.